Hello parents, today we're making addition easy by working directly with raw numbers for better mental fluency. We're applying our number doubles, a skill we've covered extensively before. If you need a refresher on doubles from 1 to 10, check the link in the comments. Ready to make? Let's look for our friends. I see 2 threes. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now add that 4 and we get 10. Nice work! You're getting so fast at this. Look, I see a double right at the start. 9 plus 9, that gives us 18. And adding our final one, that brings us to 19. Perfect. Moving to number 3. Here we have a 7 at the start and a 7 at the end. Let's group those doubles first. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now, add the 6 and we reach 20. And our last puzzle, number 4. Same trick. We have 2 8s. 8 plus 8 gives us 16. Just add the 3 and there we go, 19. Look at that, all finished. Mental math is easy when you know the shortcuts. Great work today, everyone. Parents, before you go, give your child a few similar questions to practice on their own today. It really helps them own these skills. And make sure to come back tomorrow. We're going to level up by solving more using the near doubles strategy.